Here's a quick tutorial video on how to pair the 3-function remote and the remote switch to the 3-function remote control box that operates the Sioux City Tarp lockdown electric and the traps at the same time. So I've got the luxury of having this all in my office. You'll have it mounted on the trailer most likely when you do the pairing. It will take 2 people to do this. If you notice, there's a blue chip down here on the inside the box, and there's a button up on top of it. And if you hold that button down, there's a red light that'll come on after a couple seconds. See the red light? If you go to the middle button and hit open on the controller, and then hit open on the remote switch, that button will blink red. Give it just a second. We know we're paired now. If I go in here and hold the on button on the remote for 3 seconds, the box is on. If I turn it off, we're good there. If I come over to the remote switch and I turn it on, works there. But you have to do this simultaneously. You only have a 5-second window to do this in, and so it's really helpful when you have 2 people unless you're a really fast runner.